Dear user, thank you for choosing Mobilint's MLA100 Mobile Express module. Here's a quick guide to help you install and use the product safely. MLA100 Mobile Express module is an AI accelerator module powered by Aries, an NPU optimized for deep learning performance. With top-tier efficiency and value, it's built for demanding on-premises applications like smart factories, smart cities, and AI servers. When taking the product out of the box, hold it by the edges to avoid touching the circuits or connectors. Align the module pins with the slot in the right direction. Insert the module at a 20 degrees angle, then gently push it in to secure it in the slot. Press down on the end of the module and fasten it firmly using the provided screws. Secure the other side with a screw as well. Check that the module is firmly seated in the slot. The MXM module comes with a pre-installed heatsink for effective thermal management. No additional installation is needed. Once installed, connect the HDMI cable and power cord. Press the power button and make sure everything runs properly. Here are important safety precautions when using the MLA100 Mobile Express module. That concludes the installation guide for MLA100 Mobile Express module. If you need assistance, feel free to contact us using the information above. Thank you.